I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hello everyone, I'm Jessica and today I'm taking you on a tour around the Azores in Portugal, an archipelago of dreamy islands full of exciting activities. First off, click like and write me a comment if you're enjoying the video so far. Now let's get started. The Azores is so lovely and diverse. As soon as you'll land on one of the 9 islands, you are hit with a wave of calmness that follows you everywhere you go. From the bustling cobblestone streets of Ponta Delgada to the serene villages of Corvo and tiny cities like Villafranca do Campo. Everywhere you go, you take the island's ancestral culture with you. Of course, with beaches come the sun. And you have plenty of that here in the Azores. The sunny islands will provide a sunny atmosphere, and you can definitely escape the stress of everyday life with a walk on the shore or a swim in the crystal clear waters. If you're an adventure enthusiast, you can explore caves, climb up hills, hike around, observe the numerous species of seabirds and dolphins, or take a boat ride to explore the underwater world around the islands. If you're a fan of the nightlife, don't worry, you'll find plenty of bars and clubs to keep you and your friends entertained. No visit to the Azores is complete without exploring the cuisine. Taste the delicious traditional dishes and fresh seafood, combined with amazing wines and desserts. Get yourself ready for some flavorful memories. Finally, this trip wouldn't be complete without seeing some of the famous sights in the Azores, including the storybook-lit village of Furnace, the panoramic view of Citadades, the lush rainforest of Fale, and the rustic wharf of Ponta Delgada. I hope you have enjoyed my tour around the Azores.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.